As a beginner, when it comes to starting a fitness journey, it is very confusing where to look for legit information. Now, there are many information sources out there, but in this video, we will be just comparing two of them. The first one is the visual medium YouTube. The second one is old school, reading books, literature. Which one is better? First point, when someone searches about fitness, YouTube shows the videos with millions of views. And what do those videos say? Lose 10 pounds in a week, build huge muscles in a week, burn fat overnight, get abs instantly. Just 10 minutes workout to burn fat. Now, for those of you who do not know, all of these videos are pure scams. It is like asking, how do I get 95% marks in MBBS exam by just studying one night before the exam? Give me 5 simple steps to defeat Usain Bolt, Mike Tyson, Vishwanathan Anand. How do I get rich like Bill Gates in just 2 weeks? Real life does not work like that. Have you ever heard Elon Musk say, get rich overnight in just 2 weeks? Then how on earth do you believe that these videos could be true? Second point, YouTube and Google are in your control to some extent. If you search for easy steps to get fit, YouTube will show you exactly that, even if it is not true. If you search for why fitness will ruin your life, it will show you exactly that. If you search for good in-depth knowledge, you will get that. The problem is, beginners have no idea what to search for. The next point is the almighty algorithm. It does not have moral values. All the algorithm knows is that more views equals better content. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform so that it can earn money by showing you ads. So it promotes those videos that have higher engagement, even if the videos are bad. Get this straight. More views or popularity does not mean better quality. Instead, it is the opposite. More views equals dumb content. If something is popular, then you can bet that it is wrong. Here is an example. What would you want? Lose 40 pounds in 18 days or lose 40 pounds in 18 months? 40 pounds 18 days or 40 pounds 18 months? The realistic answer here is 18 months. That is how long it takes to lose 40 pounds and never gain it back again. But many people will choose to go for 18 days. And this is exactly what makes such videos popular. Why such scam videos get views. If there is a video titled 40 pounds 18 months, no one will like to wait that long. People want instant results. There's an in-depth article on how dumber contents get more views with many facts and examples. You can read it if you are interested in philosophy. Third point, there is a positive side to YouTube. There are fitness channels creating excellent content on YouTube, but due to the points mentioned earlier, those channels are buried deep in the search results. There are channels from 500 subscribers to like 10k, 20k subscribers creating 1000 times better content than YouTubers with 20 million subscribers. This is not an exaggeration, but the algorithm does not favor these channels. Fourth point is that YouTube contains short videos that are scattered. Fitness is a field with immense knowledge, volumes of knowledge. It cannot be covered in one video or even a series of videos. Even if someone creates a playlist, many people will not check that. They will just watch one video and close YouTube. The fifth point is that YouTube is free. Also, the visual medium allows you to see the correct form and technique of exercises. That is the biggest plus point. Only if you find a good channel. Now let's talk about books. The prominent authors in fitness are Brad Schoenfeld, Charles Poliquin, Mike Israel, Michael Matthews, Akshay Chopra, Eric Helms. These guys hold certifications, masters and PhD in fitness. They have studied and researched for decades in this field. It is very sad that there are people like Joel Schiedman and Jeff Cavalier that are defaming degrees by providing misinformation. But A degree contains correct, well-researched information. These charlatans are using their degrees to scam people. It is not the degree to blame. Then there are these big colleges, institutes like the American College of Sports Medicine, the American Council of Exercise, National Strength and Conditioning Association, who have got volumes of books, research, and articles. These are the sources that good trainers refer to. Unlike YouTube, the guys on top in literature are the legit ones. Here, research matters. The books contain hundreds of research citations. If the research has limitations, then multiple researches are compared to arrive at a conclusion. Here, one needs strong evidence and research to back up their claims, unlike YouTube, where anyone can show up, say anything, scam people, and get away with it. There is no algorithm or clickbait here. Quality matters. Yes, there is misinformation here as well, but it's very little compared to YouTube. If you read the books of the authors mentioned earlier, you will be safe. Compared to a small video, books contain in-depth, well-planned, properly arranged information. If you read Brad Schoenfeld's Science and Development of Muscle Hypertrophy, you are well equipped for at least a couple of years of workout. The book will provide you with all resources. On YouTube, however, you will have to watch many videos and combine them to get something beneficial. Many people do not know what to search for. It is highly unlikely that people will search for terms like the importance of eccentrics, periodization for muscle gain or fat loss, importance and function of macros and micros, types of fats, mono, polyunsaturated, and their impact on health. Basically, people will not search for jargon, which they do not even know in the first place. They will just search how to get bigger biceps or how to lose belly fat. Books will provide you with all around knowledge. You will learn new things that you would have never searched for on YouTube. Lastly, YouTube is free, while books are paid. But books are worth the money, while many YouTube videos are not even worth watching for free, as they are a complete waste of time. Even with all these benefits, why is it that people do not read books? The reason is simple. A video gets over. When you watch a video, you know that it will get over in 10 minutes, but you have no idea when a book will get over. People just keep reading and never finish reading the book. The solution is to practice fast reading. There are simple ways with which you can read 1,000 words per minute. There is a video in the description by Pawan Bhattar about fast reading techniques. You can increase your reading speed within an hour. That is how effective the video is. You can finish reading a book within 2 hours. If you read for just 30 minutes a day, you will complete a book in 4 days. Here are the books that are great for beginners. The first one is Brad Schoenfeld's Science and Development of Muscle Hypertrophy. The first 2 chapters contain information about human anatomy, which can be too difficult to understand for average people, so you can skip that. The next one is Diet 2.0 by Renaissance Periodization. This contains general information about nutrition, so you need to implement the concepts in your location specific traditional diet. Next up is Sweat by Geoffrey, Verity, Schofield. It contains all the information you will need to know on your fitness journey. If you are into calisthenics and home workouts, then check out books by Red Delta Project. The specialty of Red Delta Project is that it has simple and practical information without much research jargon. As Matt himself says,
I'm not a scientist. I'm not a researcher. I'm a model builder. I build models that, yes, are based on scientific validity, but also have creative problem solving behind them for practical application to make fitness work in the real world. That's what grind style calisthenics and micro workouts and all that stuff is all about, is how do I actually make it work so that it can finally work for you?
Akshay Chopra's website, We Are Stupid, is also worth checking out.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
It has books on wide variety of topics, and they are very cheap. Finally, you can visit Brawny King Fitness to get the free ebook Top 10 Fitness Myths Busted. It is not even close to any of the books mentioned earlier, but it is free, so you can read it if you want to. If you still do not feel like reading, then you can check out the YouTube channels of these authors. Yes, All of these writers have videos on YouTube, like interviews, podcasts, and some even have their own YouTube channel. Check the description and you will find the links to all of the YouTube channels. Like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell icon.